Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video, I would like to show you how to use TROPOMI Explorer app available within Google Earth Engine to download air quality data in CSV format. Best part is you don't need to learn JavaScript for this. So let's begin. Go to Google, type TROPOMI Explorer, click on first option. You will get Google Earth Engine apps, TROPOMI Explorer. These are the datasets: nitrogen dioxide, aerosol, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, ozone, sulfur dioxide, methane. These are the parameters. You can download it from here. I'm keeping this near real time. Here the cloud coverage allowance, I'm keeping it as a default. Left is the start date and right is the end date. So 1st January 2022, 31st August 2020. You can also change the color ramp. I'm keeping it as default. Here you can check the most important thing. This is not a continuous data. It is a mean of 9 day. Now go to map. Select the area for which you want to download data. For this city, Nagpur, I want to download this. So I'm taking rectangle. You can choose polygon and point also. Just click on the window and drag it and leave. This will take a while to generate. So you will get this. Now click on this share button. You will get this window and click on this download CSV. In the form of Excel, you can download. Okay, click on this. Now we have requested from 1st January, so you can select it from here up to August. You can check it is not a continuous data, it is a mean of 9 day. Here's the concentration, this is the median. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe Supreme GIS. Thank you.